Hi, Charlotte.
Hi, Daddy.
Welcome to
Creative Crayon.
What are we drawing today?
Chico BonBon.
Chico
Chico BonBon.
Who's Chico BonBon?
Monkey with the tool belt.
Yeah, he's a monkey with a tool belt. Yes.
And also, I remember his friends, Rainbow Thunder, Quark, and Tiny's little mouse.
So today we're gonna draw.
They live in Blunderberg.
They do, and they help everybody in Blunderberg. So today we're gonna draw two of the characters from the Fix It Force: Chico BonBon and Rainbow Thunder. Are you ready?
Fix It Force! Yeah!
Okay, we're gonna start from the very left here, and we'll write Chico. Okay, we'll do bubble letters. I think you already know how to do that. Look at where I'm starting. Look at how big this is. Okay. H. Okay, you know, make yours smaller, okay? I. You're gonna run out of space. C. Sure, I have to watch mine. O. Okay, and then BonBon, we're gonna have a space. Okay, why is your O so small?
I want to make room.
Okay. We have a space. Okay, the space is only the size of one letter.
Okay.
I'm gonna draw first and you can see where you're supposed to be, okay? This is the middle of the page. Stop moving the paper. O. N. Okay, that's too big. B.
Are we doing from the bottom? Because I see
No.
Doesn't look like I have room.
Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to draw this, okay? So this part is good. So what you do is you draw this line first, and you draw the two short lines, okay? Watch. You're gonna, no, you just ruined it. The short line, okay? You're gonna come up here. No. From here, you're gonna come up. Stop. From here, you're gonna come down here. You're gonna draw a short line like this one. You're gonna go straight up. Okay, short line again. Straight down here. Connect. Okay, straight line. Okay? Okay, do BonBon, come on.
B. And up here,
Go down.
down here,
Go back up.
up,
Short line. Straight down.
down here, and connect. Chico BonBon.
Okay, now we're gonna draw Chico first, okay? We're gonna start with his head and we'll draw on the left.
Monkey eyes.
So there are big circles here. So start down here in the middle. Then we're gonna draw the same size next to it. So this space is the same size as the eyeball. And inside we'll draw a smaller circle. and then one smaller one in the middle. So in the middle, between the two eyes on the bottom here, we're gonna draw two small dots. Those are his nose. And then between those two lines, then we're gonna go down here and draw his mouth. It's a little bit curved. Look over here, a little bit curved. And then we'll do it. Go down. Look at my drawing. Looks like a boat, okay? And then we'll draw his teeth. On top here, look at my drawing. Look at my hand right now. Look at my hand. That's his teeth. Okay, now we're gonna draw his face, okay? We're gonna draw an eyebrow. So you're gonna follow the shape of the eyeball, okay? Follow the shape of the eyeball. And then same thing on the right. Here we go. Okay? And then we're gonna go straight down. Straight down on both sides. We're gonna do a curve. And then this is gonna go under his mouth. Do the same thing on the right, look. Curve to the right, and then connect. And then we'll draw the top of his head. Okay, we're gonna do a dome shape. Goes on top, like a rainbow. This is flat in the middle, and then we're gonna come back down. And then we're gonna have his headband. Okay, so we're gonna draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And now we'll draw his ears, okay? We got left and right ears. So from the top of his eyebrow here, and you're gonna draw, watch first, okay? You're gonna draw a big half circle, connects to the side of his face. Okay, connect to the side of his face. Okay, you need to make it a little bit rounder, okay? Yours is too pointy. Okay, on the inside, we're gonna have a small circle. That's, follow the shape of the outside, okay? It's like a sideways rainbow right now. Okay, and then we're gonna draw his body. It's like a long oval with curved edges, okay? Follow what I'm doing. And we'll draw his arm, okay? So we got arm coming out on the left here. Okay, long arm. 4 fingers, okay? So 1, 2, 3. The 4th one, the thumb. He's waving to say hello, so the other arm goes up. Gonna go up to the side of his face, okay? And same thing again, 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This one's a little shorter.
That's the thumb. Yes. And then we'll draw his feet now, okay? Draw his legs. He's wearing socks, so we're gonna have 2 lines, okay? 2 lines on the bottom here. 2 lines. And then we'll draw his shoes. Okay, so we're gonna do shoes like this. And then the shoes have shoelaces on top, so we're gonna draw this. That's where the shoelaces go. Okay, very good. And then his shoes got this zigzag line on here. Okay. We'll do his tool belt, okay? His tool belt is kind of cool. We're gonna do a lightning. Do you know how to draw lightning? Okay, so you're gonna do this zigzag line. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more line. Okay, very good. And then we're gonna go back and we're gonna connect it. 1, 2, 3. And on the next to it, we're gonna draw the wrench. It looks like this shape, okay? Like a C, bubble letter C.
Kind of C.
So we're gonna draw 2 lines out first. Okay, watch. 2 lines. Okay?
It's like a baby
and
coming
then
out.
This is a backward C here. So we're gonna do a backward C. Take your time, take a look at what I'm doing. Okay, very good. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna have the wrench come out. And then we'll do a C, a regular C. And then we'll draw...
This one kind of looks like a banana.
Yeah, and then we're gonna draw 2 lines to connect. This is the actual belt. So that's a belt buckle. So there's actually a circle here. It goes around, there's a circle here, okay?
Oh.
All right, so that's Chico. And now we're gonna draw...
We haven't drawn those stuff.
Okay, those are little rectangles that hold the tools. So it has some rectangles on top, some rectangles on the bottom, okay? Good job. Okay, now we're gonna draw Rainbow Thunder. Again, we're gonna start with the eyes so we can get her in the right place here, okay? So you're gonna draw eyes here, okay? Okay, start from here. Start from left to right, okay? Okay, and then slanted line from right to left. We're gonna go like this. Okay, and then underneath that, her eye, we're gonna do a half circle. So start from the top here, and you're gonna go down, and then go back up. And then same thing here, you're gonna go down, and then go back up. And then we're gonna draw 2 half circles on the inside, okay? That's our eyeball. So 1 here, and 1 here, 1 here, the same thing with 1 smaller circle in the middle. Her eyelashes are very special. They're actually 3 half circles, okay? So this is how we draw it. 1, 2, 3. And it's only on one side of the eyeball. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna draw her nose between, so go down here between her eyes. Yeah, that's her nose. It's an upside down triangle with curved edges. And then her mouth is just one curvy line. So we're gonna start here on the upper right hand corner here, upper left hand corner. We're gonna curve down and go around her mouth. Okay, you need to watch me, okay? So curve down. Okay, then we're gonna connect with a straight line here. So you need to go higher, and then higher. Okay, watch this. Straight line. Okay, and then around that, we're gonna draw her helmet. So from where the mouth is, from here, you're gonna curve up. Whoa, stop. Just stop. Okay, from here, where the height of the mouth is, you're gonna go up. And then we're gonna draw the top of the helmet, follow along the head, and then we're gonna curve back down. And now we're gonna draw her ears. They come out of the helmet, so we're gonna do 2 triangles, this size, okay? Okay, and now we're gonna draw her body. She's wearing a dress, so her body is actually gonna go straight down, but it's gonna curve out to the corners. Curve to the left, curve to the right. And
curve to the left and curve to the right.
And then we're gonna connect it with a curved line like this. And we'll draw her arms next. So she has her shoulder is like a rounded square. So we're gonna draw 2 of those, rounded square. And the arms are pointing down, okay? She's standing there in a pose. So arms are pointing down. And she has a bracelet. So we're gonna draw a line, a rectangle, and then there's a circle in the middle. Same thing on this side. We're gonna draw a rectangle and then a circle in the middle, and then we'll draw her fist. So her arm is closed, so you're gonna watch this, okay? It's this curve, and then it's like you're drawing a C, and then same thing on this side, it's a backward C, okay? And then go like this. Okay, and now we're gonna draw her belt. So belt is the same position as where Chico has his, but she has a circle in the middle, okay? Circle on the belt buckle. I'm gonna connect that, and we'll draw her leg. Okay, she's wearing boots, so we're gonna draw leg, and then we'll draw the boots. Okay, so the leg is a rectangle. Okay, so we're gonna draw 2 rectangles, 1 on each side. The boots are wider than the leg, so we're gonna draw a little bit wider to go down, a little bit wider. Okay, wider than leg, and then it's rounded boots. So a little bit wider, straight down, a little bit wider, and then rounded boots, okay? Rounded, and we'll connect it here.
It's like this?
Yep, and she has rainbow on her boots, so we're gonna color in later, okay? We're not gonna draw with pencil right now. Okay, so that's Chico BonBon and Rainbow Thunder.